India is my country. Underline word is India. You identify the correct parts of speech.
India is noun.
Now, yes, very good. Next, she is good girl. She is good girl. Underline word is she. You can identify the correct parts of speech.
Pronoun.
Pronoun. Yes, very good. Next, Radha is beautiful girl. Underline word is beautiful. You identify the correct parts of speech.
Noun.
Beautiful.
Beautiful adjective.
Beautiful adjective. Yes, very good. Next, you identify the correct prefix of the word possible.
Impossible.
Impossible. Yes, very good. Next, you identify the correct prefix of the social.
Antisocial.
Antisocial. Yes, very good. Next, you identify the correct prefix of the regular.
Irregular.
Irregular. Yes, very good.